Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are going to be customizing a cute little teacup. So I've done a couple of these on my channel and I usually do it with like glass paint, even though these are ceramic, but I want to do it another fun way that you can do at home, probably with items that you already have, and that's by baking on Sharpie. So we're going to use a couple different colored Sharpies and bake them in the oven and come out with a wonderful masterpiece of an artistic teacup, and I think it's going to be really fun and I wanted to do it and bring you guys along on the journey. So that is today's craft. I'm gonna link the other kind of glass paint videos that I've done down in the description below so you guys can check them out if you are interested, and let's get going. Allow your mug to dry overnight and then put it into a cool oven and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Allow it to cool in the oven, same as you would any normal glass painting. Once it's cool, you can take it out and see how it fared. Sometimes the colors change a little bit. You'll notice my greens aren't super vibrant chartreuse anymore. They're kind of like a pale seafoam green. I don't see any rhyme or reason to that. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. But you will notice that sometimes the colors change a little bit. But this is what we're left with. This is the zoom in on the mug. I think it's just a fun little festive pop of color in really cool geometric and floral shapes. You can see that it doesn't rub off anymore. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.